Hello, and welcome to DeRosa Automotive. As we service vehicles here on the North Shore, people often ask, what does my car need? What am I going to have to pay for? How does it go? When we're doing a regular oil change on your vehicle, our technicians are looking at brakes, tires, suspension, and as they're filling out the report and using tools like this, they're able to tell us exactly where you are on brakes. Is it something that you need now, or is it something that can wait a while and you've got time? We're always looking to get you up to speed on your vehicle and make sure you're kept safe on the road. When you're thinking your automotive services, please think DeRosa Automotive, your North Shore Automotive Service Center.